Lesson 2, Test. Find a synonym for each bold word. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Number 1. The company president was an arrogant person. A. Rich. B. Prideful. C. Essential. D. Well-known. Arrogant. What is the synonym for arrogant? Number 2. Thoughtless people violate the beauty of the wilderness. Thoughtless people violate the beauty of the wilderness. A. Paint. B. Praise. C. Damage. D. Overlook. The synonym for violate. 3. Many cultures have ceremonies to celebrate birthdays. A. Rites. B. Holidays. C. Terms. D. Understandings. Ceremonies. Synonym for ceremonies. Number 4. The baseball team gave a triumphant shout. A. Excited. B. Joyful. C. Aggressive. D. Loud. Triumphant. Synonym for triumphant. Number 5. Integrate what you know with what you are learning. Integrate. Synonym for integrate. A. Compare. B. Combine. C. Analyze. D. Contrast. Synonym for integrate. Number 6. The police detained the suspect. A. Questioned. B. Identified. C. Pursued. D. Held. Synonym for detained. Find an antonym for each bold word. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Antonym, opposite. They are vacating their apartment. Vacating, what's the opposite? Decorating, leaving, occupying, or selling. A, decorating. B, leaving. C, occupying. D, selling. Number 8. Getting caught shoplifting was a degrading experience. Antonym. A, uplifting. B, boring. C, forgettable. D, hilarious. Antonym for degrading. Number 9. Becoming an artist was a supreme goal of his life. A, previous. B, minor. C, temporary. D, unexamined. Becoming an artist was a supreme goal of his life. Antonym. Number 10. Chelsea violated her promise. Antonym for violated. A, broke. B, inflicted. C, suspended. D, kept. Violated. 11. Camels seem to have a look of arrogance. Antonym. What's the antonym for arrogance? A, cheerfulness. B, liveliness. C, meekness. D, interest. Number 12. Choose the best way to complete each sentence or answer each question. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. 12. The campaign for a new library is underway. Campaign describes A. The construction of the building, B. The design of the building, C. The election of the director of library, D. Planned efforts to get a new library. The campaign for a new library is underway. Campaign describes the construction, the design, the election, or planned efforts. Number 13, half the class boycotted the event. This means that they helped put on the event, choice A. B, ridiculed the event. C, refused to attend the event. D, attended the event. Number 14. The speaker extended her hand to the company president after the speech. This means that she A, held out her hand, B, took back her hand, C, hid her hand, D, looked at her hand. Extended. Number 15. Who might wear an expression of triumph? A, the winner of a spelling bee. B, a dinner in a restaurant. C, a criminal being sent to jail. D, someone in an earthquake. Who might wear an expression of triumph? Number 16. To have custody of someone is to send that person gifts. That's choice A. B, give part-time care to that person. C, act as that person's guardian. D, be related to that person. To have custody of someone is to. Number 17. Farragut led the campaign to seize New Orleans. This meant that he was A, was trying to capture the most votes. B, headed the military moves to capture the city. C, was in charge of the plan to replace its mayor. D, marched at the head of angry mob. He led the campaign. What's the best way to describe that? Number 18. To extend human life would be to A, study it thoroughly. B, value it highly. C, understand it well. D, make it longer. To extend human life. Number 19. When can you expect a legal verdict? When you apply for a driver's license. B, when you run a red light. C, when you reach the end of a trial. D, when you receive a speeding ticket. When can you expect a legal verdict? Number 20. A violation of your civil rights is A, an explanation of the rights you have. B, an action that denies you your legal rights. C, a questioning of your rights. D, a temporary limitation of your rights. A violation. Number 21. When Octavian returned to Rome in triumph, he had just A, had a long rest on his country estate. B, come to ask for more money. C, conquered Rome's enemies. D, bought a new chariot. He turned to Rome in triumph. Number 22. The male lions had to be segregated so they did not fight. Segregated means A, fed often. B, drugged. C, kept apart. D, carefully introduced to one another. Segregated. Number 23. The supreme representative of the American people is A, the average family, B, a court justice, C, a state senator, D, the President of the United States, the supreme representative of the American people. 24. Who is most likely to take someone into custody? A, a nurse, B, the manager of a bank, C, a police officer, D, a teacher. Who's most likely to take someone into custody? Number 25. Joshua's aunt is campaigning for state senator. This means that she, A, is in the state senate, B, is running for the office of state senator, C, is employed by a state senator, D, is writing speeches for a state senator. She's campaigning. 26. Stephanie degraded herself by cheating on her math test. Degraded means A, relieved, B, disgraced, C, upset, D, exasperated. Degraded. Number 27. Nathan suggested a boycott of non-union stores. In this case, a boycott is A, a group decision to stop dealing with those stores, B, a conference with the store managers, C, a plan to identify these stores, D, a plan to show support of these stores. Nathan suggested a boycott. Number 28. Spain's rule extended far to the north. Extended means A, enlarged, B, strengthened, C, weakened, D, stretched. Extended means number 29. To give your verdict on something is to A, give your word of honor, B, state your opinion of it, C, give a careful description of it, D, commit yourself to doing it. To give your verdict. Number 30. Integration is the process of A, thinking about new ideas, B, looking into something, C, uniting different elements into a whole, D, dividing something into parts. Integration. 31. To triumph over bad habits is to A, worry about them, B, win an argument about them, C, attempt to break them, D, overcome them. To triumph over bad habits. Number 32. What is an example of segregation? A, putting students of different races in different schools, B, holding protest marches, C, making laws that defy the United States Constitution, D, putting students of different races in the same school. Segregation. Number 33. To extend an invitation to your neighbor is to A, withdraw it, B, carry it, C, offer it, D, forward it. To extend an invitation. That's the end of your test.